That's a lot of time. If you don't change your ways, it's not going to go well for you in this world. Do you both counts you're charged with aggravated assault? The range of punishment in each of those cause numbers is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Did you understand?
A 21-year-old defendant walks into a Texas courtroom facing charges that carry a possible sentence of life in prison. Before this hearing ends, he'll plead guilty to aggravated robbery, enter no contest pleas to aggravated sexual assault charges, waive his right to a jury trial, and accept a sentence that will define most of his adult life. But this hearing isn't just about punishment. It's about the legal consequences of decisions that prosecutors argued involved violence, deadly weapons, and multiple victims. Watch closely as the judge methodically explains the rights being surrendered, the stakes involved, and the reality of what a negotiated plea agreement actually means in a serious felony case. And while the courtroom remains calm throughout the proceeding, one final exchange near the end reveals the true weight of what's just happened. But what happened next is where the consequences became impossible to ignore.
2023 CR 2703, 2023 CR 2704, and 2023 CR 2530, State of Texas versus Tyrone Eds. Is it Eds or Eats? Eats. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Gabriel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
For the defense.
And are you Mr. Eats?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each cause number, and did you review that discovery with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Eads, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, and cause number ending in 2703, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
And in cause number ending in 2704, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
And in the cause number ending in 2530, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, just one moment. There was no notes on the file itself.
All right, just 1 minute. I'll be able to tell you.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Yep, there are 2 counts.
Oh, does it say on there, Judge? Yeah, does it say on there, Judge?
No.
Oh, I was proceeding on that.
Oh, okay. Oh, proceeding as presented, Judge.
All right. And each cause number ending in 2703 and 2704, you're charged with aggravated robbery. And in each cause number ending in 2530, and both counts, you're charged with aggravated sexual assault. The range of punishment in each of those cause numbers is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of?
This is one of the most important moments in any criminal plea proceeding. Before accepting a guilty plea, the court must determine that the defendant understands the charges, understands the rights being waived, and is legally competent to make those decisions. Notice that defense counsel confirms not only that the defendant understands the allegations against him, but also that he was legally sane at the time of the offenses. Legally, these answers close off several potential avenues of defense and strengthen the validity of the plea agreement. Emotionally, it's also a moment where the reality of the situation becomes unmistakable. Once these admissions are accepted, there is very little room to go back. If you were sitting in the judge's position, would these answers satisfy you that the defendant fully understood what he was giving up? And this wasn't the last significant consequence the court would address.
The charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Eads, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas? Anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the causes are to run concurrently. State is going to be taking in consideration 2023 CR 2702, 2023 CR 2705, and cause numbers ending in 2703 and 2704. If the court determines there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, then the court will enter an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And that is the same in cause number 2530. And according to the plea bargain agreement, the punishment is to be assessed at 30 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense? State?
Yes, Judge.
At this stage, the court is focusing on the structure of the plea agreement itself. The defendant has agreed to a sentence of 30 years, but one critical detail is that the sentences will run concurrently rather than consecutively. In practical terms, that means the defendant will serve the sentences at the same time, instead of one after another. The court is also considering affirmative deadly weapon findings, which can significantly affect parole eligibility and future legal consequences. Notice how methodical the judge's questioning is here. The goal isn't simply to accept a plea, but to create a record showing that every constitutional safeguard was explained and voluntarily waived. But the emotional weight of this hearing had not yet fully settled into the courtroom.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Then in cause number ending in 2703, how you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And the cause number ending in 2704, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number ending in 2530, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Honor state would offer states as the one each of the separate causes. We've had a chance to review, Your Honor, no objections.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, in each cause number, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, but most importantly, there will be no live witnesses? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, and the court will review the same. All right. In each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would ask the court go along with the plea bargain as it has been tendered by the state. My client is taking full responsibility of the matter. My understanding is he even has written a letter of apology in the sexual assault case. And so we would ask you to give him credit for all the time served and give him the plea bargain amount.
All right. And the cause number ending in 2703, the court will find you guilty. The court will find there's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Daniel, Laura, and John Albert Elizondo. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2704, 2023 CR 2530. Take in consideration 2023 CR 2702 and 2023 CR 2705. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that case? And the cause number ending in 2704, court is finding you guilty. Court is finding an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Daniel, Laura, and John Albert Elizondo. Court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison. And I'm sorry, and the cause number ending in 2703, in case I didn't say it, the court has sentenced you to 30 years in the prison and give you credit for any time served. And back in cause number two, ending in 2704, court is going to sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And this is to be concurrent with 2023 CR 2703 2530, taking consideration 2023 CR 2705 and 2702. Is there anything with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
And then in cause number ending in 2530, your plea of no contest was to both counts 1 and 2. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the court will find you guilty in count 1 and count 2. Count 1 and count 2 is to run concurrently. Court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the complainant. This is to run concurrent with 2023 CR 2704, 2023 CR 2703. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Taking consideration 2023 CR 2705, 2023 CR 2702. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapon or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
21.
All right, so 30 years, that's a lot of time. But do not go to the prison and become institutionalized. Eventually, you'll be released from prison. And if you don't change your ways, it's not going to go well for you in this world. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
This case ultimately demonstrates the enormous legal consequences that can follow negotiated plea agreements in serious felony prosecutions. Facing aggravated robbery and aggravated sexual assault charges, the defendant accepted responsibility through guilty and no contest pleas and received concurrent 30-year prison sentences, along with deadly weapon findings and additional legal restrictions. The court's ruling reflected not only the severity of the charges, but also the legal reality that plea agreements often involve balancing certainty of outcome against the risks of trial. Regardless of where anyone stands emotionally, this hearing serves as a reminder that decisions made in a matter of moments can carry consequences lasting decades. If this courtroom moment surprised you, let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom analysis and legal breakdowns, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.